internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Saturday. The flash flood watch continues for portions of Maryland, the District of Columbia, and Virginia, including the following areas: in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, Prince George's, and Southern Baltimore. The District of Columbia. In Virginia, Arlington Falls Church and Alexandria, Clark, Culpeper, Eastern Loudoun, Fairfax, Frederick, Greene, Madison, Northern Fauquier, Northern Virginia, Blue Ridge, Page, Prince William. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Stafford County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, north central Culpeper County in northern Virginia, southwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, the southwestern city of Manassas in northern Virginia, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bealton, Oregon, 7 miles south of Warrenton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Warrenton, Bealton, Nokesville, Opal, Remington, Catlett, Calverton, Midland, Auburn, Lois, Casanova, Turnbull, Ada, Heflin, Morrisville, Somerville, Bristersburg, and Ruby. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.